guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So today I am going to do Makeup Monday, and I'm going to do an affordable Makeup Monday. I'm going to use the James Charles palette, keep it lit up in here because this palette is so good. I don't know exactly what look I'm doing because that's how Makeup Monday is. It's more of like a chit chat, get ready with me, but I want to make the focus more on affordable looks. So yeah, like affordable products, that's what I wanted to do. So yeah, if you guys want to see what look I create with whatever I am going to create, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications to get more videos from me, and don't forget to comment and like as well. And let's get started. First thing that I always do when I go into my makeup is I will go ahead and do my brows first. I tend to not show you guys what I do with my brows, but today I am going to be doing the Foolproof Brow Powder. I'm going to take the color Cola, which is a nice blue color. I haven't used this color on my eyes at all, so I figured this would be a nice color to use into my crease. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Okay. It's an okay color. It's cute. And I'm just going to basically just stamp that on. So I'm going to blend more on this side. That looks really nice. And then I'm just going to drag it inwards. A little nice drag inwards. Going to lift it up to the top. With this color, you definitely have to build it up a lot. There's no way. It's not super pigmented right when it gets onto your eyes. It's just not. Definitely having to build that up a lot. Okay guys, so I want to kind of tone this blue down. I feel like it's just a little too starky. I'm going to use the shade Code James. And it's just like a brown shade. I'm just going to kind of add it onto the outer corner. Maybe instead of that, I'm going to go into Love That, or no, Single. Probably gonna just go into Single and then see what Single does. Maybe Single. Yeah, I like how Single looks. Scratch out Code James. We'll just go in with Single. I gotta like seriously wash my brushes, you guys. My brushes are a mess. My brushes are horrible. So I'm gonna go in with this shade Cape Cod. And I'm just gonna pop it on there. Just pop it on there. I'm just keeping this look like really easy and achievable. So it's like 2 quick colors and then just a shimmer. No cut creasing today, because if I cut crease, your girl's gonna be here forever, and I'm not trying to be here forever. And then sometimes you lose a lot of the color when you go in with the shimmer. So I'm just gonna go back into Cola. And I'm just gonna like brush that big into the eyes because Cape Cod kind of lost Cola a little bit. And it's gonna help also to blend out everything and just give a really pretty look. I really like Cape Cod. I love this color. Looks really pretty. It's just nice, seamless color. Today I'm gonna go ahead and use this foundation right here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I haven't used this foundation in a long time, so I'm excited to try it out. Just gonna, oh, that's a lot. And I'm just going to put that in. Right away, it's a very light coverage. It's not super full coverage, and it's not even medium coverage. I can still see a lot of my skin underneath, but let me tell you guys, the texture is really nice. Okay, so we're keeping this look affordable. I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop No Filter, why do I always say foundation? ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I actually really like the ColourPop No Filter collection that they had, because girl, it kept me snatched and I liked it. Even though some of you guys might think my concealer is a little too light for me, but your girl likes that heavy masky look. Trust me, when you see me in person, you probably will not even notice that I'm a mask ball. or that I have a mask on, you might tell me to go and put a mask back on. But, but, you know, if I'm going to glam it up, I'm going to glam up all the way. And this is a medium 22. I really like this concealer. It's super affordable. I think it's like $6. And I mean, ColourPop, even though they used to be $5, they're slowly going up in price, but nobody's hating on them for it. I'm hating on them a tad bit for it because it's like, yo, why are you raising your prices? Inflation is already real. Like, I live in California and the chances of me buying a house is very slim. But your girl constantly puts it on her vision board and says, one day that house will be mine. And you know, I'm just listening to all these gurus and I'm believing in myself. And I'm like, okay, they say if I put on my vision board and work for it, it's gonna happen. So we'll see, you guys. We're gonna be friends for a while. So let's see if I can make those dreams become a reality. But yeah, anyways, I just had a TED Talks 101 with you guys as I blend my concealer. So Concealer Talks 101. And I feel like whenever you're like in a girl session and you're with your homegirls and you're like just doing your makeup and it's like a bunch of girls and there's some bitches you don't like, but like you're still friends with them because it's a group effort and you're just like, I have to tolerate this bitch because she's my friend. She's part of the group. But anyways, at this session, once you get to the concealer, it's like shit gets deep in a room when a bunch of girls are doing their makeup. Like as soon as you get to concealer, because like you're overdoing the eyeshadow and you're like, now you feel like it's just cake now. Stuff gets like really deep. People start talking about like deep core feelings and like, you know, pain and stuff like that. In the beginning, it's like superficial conversation, but after a while it starts to become like core conversation. And she snatched. Now I'm gonna do my under eyes. I think I'm gonna make my under eyes a purple because I'm basic and like it only seems like an obvious thing to do. Like if you look at this, you're like, you should do purple. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a purple shade underneath and I'm gonna attempt to find a clean brush in my whole collection because I have no clean brushes and I need some clean brushes, but I don't have any. So anywho, or should we do hot pink? I think I'm gonna go in with Skip, which is like this hot pink, because I think that would be so pretty to just go in with some hot pink. Yeah, okay, I'm feeling it. And just like build this hot pink up. Like you gotta build it up. I feel like whenever I do my eyeshadow, when it comes to like the under eye, I just give up. Like I'm tired of blending. But we're gonna blend. We're gonna blend that baby. And then you just wanna like make sure that you don't leave any lines. So next I need to add a little bit of color into the inner corner. I'm gonna go in to Hello. It's a really light blue color. It's a shimmery shade. And we're just gonna pop that in the center right here because it's just gorgeous. Why not? Let's just pop that into the center. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin. I'm gonna bronze my skin with this Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I don't know, I have never found anything on the market that I really like that's a bronzer. This Rimmel one's pretty good. It's actually one of my faves, drugstore wise. So you guys have to tell me what you think. If there's any other like brand that does better shades, just let me know. But this is like not a bad bronzer, just very faint. Doesn't really show up. So if you know if there's any other drugstore brands that do really good, let me know. Also, if we're really gonna go for like the whole affordable, I'm gonna use some setting powder. This is a no filter setting powder from ColourPop, and I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna basically clean up my, you know, my contour. Okay, so while that's going on, I'm gonna go ahead and do some highlighter. I'm gonna do the color Ring Light from the James Charles palette. I know this is like such a good palette. You could do so many looks with it. You could even use it on your face. So why not? Hold up. What the heck? Ah! Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some concealer. And I'm just going to do a little bit. And I'm using my Real Techniques blending brush to do this. I'm going to focus the color mostly right here, so I can like have that ball of bling. And I'm just going to kind of dab it out. I mean, it's a little too shiny for me, but I probably could have gone in with a different color to take off all this stuff right here and to blend all that out. And I'm just gonna kind of blend out other areas. Then I'm going to go in with a blush. This is the MILANI Romantic Rose blush. This is my fave brush, you guys. And you know, I go in a real heavy with my blush, and this is my fave. So pretty. You don't have to wear blush if you're not a blush person. I love wearing blush. It's like my thing. But if you don't like blush, then don't wear it. But I love blush. I think blush is just so pretty. I even like to take blush to the top and look all red. There's nothing wrong with looking red. What if we were all red? Like we were built red, you know? This is a drugstore, not even drugstore, it's like an affordable lashes type of look. I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite lashes that I always wear. They're Ardell lashes. I love Ardell lashes. And I'm going to go in with the 113s. So they have some wispy 113s. I'm going to go in with that. Before I go in with that, I'm just gonna line my eyes just a bit, not a lot, no wing, nothing, because I feel like, I mean, this could probably use a wing. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit of a wing. Not even a wing, just like a brush. So I just went ahead and lined it, and all that does is it just like gives my eyes more dimension, and I just don't really put a wing. I'm gonna skip the lip liner. I'm just gonna go straight in with like a darky nude lip. This is Cinnamon. Do you think I look like a clown a tad bit today? Because I don't know. Okay, let's see. Let's zhuzh the hair. Ooh, when you zhuzh the hair, it actually looks good. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look. Guys, so this is the finished look. Makeup Monday's officially over right now, and this is the look that I created. It's really whimsical. It's cute. I love it. I think it did. I don't know, I would wear this to maybe like a really fun Desi wedding, Desi party, a night out. It's definitely an artistic vibe, and it's just so freaking pretty, and I just, I just love it. I think it's stunning. Oh, it's stunning. And the lashes are like subtle. They're not super like voom lashes. So it just looks really good. You can see the shadow a lot. So I really, really like it. Hey guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment down below. Like the video, you know the whole jam. I'll see you guys in the next video. The next Makeup Monday. I'll see you guys on my vlog channel. Don't forget I have a vlog channel. I upload there Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. And on this channel, I upload Friday to Monday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So your girl has been busy and is always busy with content. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support your girl. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!